Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a complaint on FedEx. So let's get started right away. First, you will want to open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in fedex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FedEx website. Now, from the home page, you can simply hover over and click on support. And then you can click on file a claim. And this will open up a PDF page from which you will be given instructions on filing your claim. If you scroll down to the second page, you will find the claim form. Now, all you will need to do is print out this claim form and then fill up all of the necessary details, such as the sender or shipper's name, company address, city, country, and all of the address details. Then also fill up the recipient's details and then enter the tracking or freight bill numbers. You can fill up the shipment information and choose whether it was damaged or lost. Also enter all of the details about your package and the contents, and then fill up the amount that you wish to claim. After filling all of the necessary information, you can click on the submit button after doing it online as well. After you have filed this complaint, you can simply read all the instructions on how long it will take to process. So as the website says, it will take around 8 to 10 business days. However, sometimes in exceptional cases, this might be longer as well. You can stay in contact with the customer support team from the numbers that are provided. And there you have it. That is how you can file a complaint or claim on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.